The email, Musk's department ordering the firing of more than 6,000 IRS workers right in the middle of the busy tax filing season.
So you may be wondering whether your tax returns or refunds will get affected. Let's go to News Channel 9's Alexandra Dern. And you turn to a local tax preparer tonight, Alexandra, to get their thoughts. So do they think the staffing cuts will impact filers?
Christy, Jeff, they've got their fair share of worried clients, but that doesn't mean there's anything to worry about, at least not yet. The IRS firing several employees in its Syracuse office this month. But it's business as usual for one Syracuse tax service business, despite their clients' concerns.
We are receiving the same questions. What's going to happen? Are we going to get our refunds? Is this going to happen? And I'm just going to say again, it doesn't seem to be having an impact. That could change in a week or two, but at this point, it doesn't seem to be having any kind of impact.
Maximum Return Tax Preparation has been in business for 30 years and rarely interacts with the IRS. Despite raised concerns, the office manager says nothing has changed and wants everyone to embrace tax season.
The first thing you do is make sure you have all of your paperwork together.
To properly file your taxes, you need to provide a proof of identity, income statements, records of tax deductions, and your previous year's tax return.
Any source of income, especially if you're retired and you're collecting retirement, you need to make sure you have your 1099s from that. Bank interest. Some people tend to forget bank interest sometimes. If you had any Social Security, every job that you had, you should have a W-2 for every job.
And remember to file before the deadline hits.
This year, they did not change it. We're used to them changing it, but this year, the deadline is April 15th.
Embracing tax season and eagerly awaiting the refund. In Syracuse, Alexandra Dern, News Channel 9.
And if you've already filed, you can head to irs.gov to check your tax refund status.
Still no details.